Kami ang Team Facundo!
Actually, last year pa namin pinaghahandaan ko kami ng team namin. So nabuo yung team namin last year pa. Ngayon, practice kami araw-araw. Everyday push-up kami, minomonitor ni coach namin.
Hi, we're here at Amoranto Arena in Quezon City. Wow, this place looks nice. Look at that. So, you can see there's a lot of teams here already. This really mostly for a good cause. It's not really a tournament. So we're just gonna play one game. So we'll get ready to play. What I have is my BCAA drink that I always have when I work out. So let's do 2 scoops of Extend BCAA. And this is water with lemon, cinnamon, and rock salt. So natural electrolytes that we have. This one here contains pre-workout. So this is a pre-workout drink that I take in before workout. But since it's just one game, I don't think I'm gonna take this because we are going to play basketball later pa. That's the real basketball. This one's mostly for show.
Saan yung orange? Para makakita si manager sa gitna. Kapit niya.
Yan. Hey, what's up guys? We're Team Facundo and thank you so much to Powerhouse Clothing for our gear. I'll see you guys on the court.
Aguirre, yun. Kamusta?
Kamusta? Okay naman, okay naman. Ayos
Kamusta
naman.
dito? Anong team ka kasali dito?
Team Facundo.
Team Facundo.
So, kasama ko sina Martin, tsaka sina Facundo, yan.
Nice to see you, bro.
Ako lang ata hindi maayos yung gupit dito eh. 2 linggo na ako hindi papagupit pero...
Looking good, ha?
Thank you.
Tagal ko ng kaibigan, guys.
Oo.
Teka lang. See you, bro.
Pahay kay Mark, isa kong mabuti kaibigan.
Ay, hello po. Models of Manila.
Yun.
Tagal ka na nag-iwan?
Oo, matagal na. Tagal na. Pero, hindi ako naging katong ka-fit until nag-start ako mag-walking. 17,000 steps a day ako maglalakad. Every day yun. Oo. 70,000. Yun yung pinaportante na binago ko. Kasi dati, 5 times, 6 times a week ako nag-workout. Ngayon, 3 times, 4 times a week lang. Tsaka pagkakain ako, priority ko parati protein. Oo. Para talagang puto. Kasi hindi mo makukuha yung muscle gain pag wala kang protein eh. Lalo na yung clean source of protein. Hindi fried chicken, grilled chicken. Pero ako beef ako eh. Lean ground beef pa. Giniling parati.
Same.
Giniling tsaka lettuce, ganyan. Pag gusto ko mag-lose ng 2 pounds, magdi-dinner ako ng salmon. Grilled salmon. Mag-lose ako ng water weight tsaka fat, tapos gain ako muscle nun. Sure. Tapos nagti 3-day water fast ako.
Responding right away, those photos na naman, bitin. Kaya yata ng motivation, substitution ka na tayo. Mula sa team. Aguirre, maglalabas ng bola, may kaibigan kay Martin Mendoza, sinedepensa ni Mr. Manginit. Antonio Aguirre Jr., Mendoza, back to Aguirre. Aguirre, baseline drive, and may foul ball. Limpin, binigay kay Aguiles. 2-pointer! 2 points! Team Pagundo, 2-point shot right back in by Antonio Aguiles Jr. And he comes up with a power rebound. Mendoza, 25 seconds. Mendoza for 2 from the corner. Aguiles. Facundo down by 1. Aguiles. 1 point, Team Facundo. Martin Mendoza. Pagla ulit tayo sa feeling our process.